Hi y'all, welcome back to my sewing corner, and today we're going to do another block for the Farm Girl Vintage quilt book. Today we're going to do what's called the kitchen window block. This one consists of 4 squares in the center and then 2 sets of rectangles for the window frame and like the window sill. It's kind of like in white, I guess. So I'm going to show you how to put this block together. Okay, so to start, we're going to take our 4 squares and stitch them together into a 4 patchwork block. So we'll do that. Take 2, match them up together, right sides facing each other, and stitch your 1/4-inch seam. Okay, so stitch both sets of 2 squares together and then match your middle seam and then stitch all 4 of them together. So we've done that. So the next thing we're going to do is take our rectangles and then we're going to stitch 2 of them to each side, and then the 2 little longer ones for the windowsill or the background color is what it's called in the book. So those are going to go on the sides of the windows, or sides of the squares, and then the other ones are cut a little bit longer, and then they're going to go at the top and bottom of the squares. So we'll do the sides and then put on the top and bottom. Okay, so we've got the 2 sides stitched on. We'll take this over to the iron and get the seams flattened out or opened up, and then we'll add the white pieces to the top and the bottom of the square. Okay, so now we have the 4 center blocks stitched together and the background pieces sewn on, and it's all pressed out. Now we're going to add what they call the window frame pieces. So with these are going to go at the top and the bottom. And if you're using a one-way fabric like I am for the windowsill, I'm going to down here in Louisiana, it's Saints in New Orleans, so I'm going to do that. So we want to make sure that the one-way fabrics go the correct direction. So I'm going to match this one to the top of the block, and then I'm going to flip it upside down to make sure that when I stitch it on, it will go the right direction. Okay, so we've got our Saints windowsill stitched to the top and the bottom, and I made sure that they're going the same direction. And so we're going to now stitch on the sides. So we cut these the opposite way, so Saints will be going up and down as well. So we'll fold these to the side and stitch these to the top and the bottom. Fold it sideways, right sides together, and then stitch it to the sides of the window. Okay, so now we have the top and sides on the windowsill, window frame part stitched on, all pressed out, and that block is finished. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this little tutorial. It's the kitchen window block is an easy one to do. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And any comments or tips you might have, please leave them below and I'll definitely check them out. Thanks and have a good day.